Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your food photos pop with animated slides in Canva? Let's get started. Click the Create button to begin. Next, select Videos from the options. We'll work with mobile video for this tutorial. After choosing mobile video, take a moment to locate and review the elements available for your video project. Open the template section and use the search bar to find food. Type food into the search bar and press enter. Type the burger name into the search bar and press the enter key. Click to add this item to your list, confirming the selection when prompted. You can also add another template by clicking the Add Template button located above the templates list. Next, try playing the file by clicking the play button. Listen to confirm that everything sounds correct. If you need to make adjustments, pause playback and repeat the editing steps as needed. Let's check the current status. Look at the dashboard on your screen. Locate the section labeled Overview. Here, you can view recent updates, system performance, and key metrics. Use this information to stay informed at a glance. Select another example by clicking on it. To choose multiple examples, hold Shift and click each one you want. Now you can add another entry. To edit, select the item you want to modify. Click the Edit button, make your changes in the provided fields, then save to apply your updates immediately. To edit this site, click here for more details. Use this option if you want to apply the template. You can now edit the product's labels and adjust the discount value directly in this section as needed. If you don't have a discount, simply remove this section. There's no need to adjust transitions or animations since they're already set up and look good as is. Click the Share button to open sharing options. From the menu, select Download to save the file directly to your computer for offline access and use. You just learned how to make tasty food slide animations in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.